friends, today we can solve one problem of GATE 2005 asked in the civil engineering. So we can solve this problem. The problem is, during the subsurface investigation for design of foundation, a standard penetration test was conducted at 4.5 meter below the ground surface. The record of number of blows is given below. So here the penetration depths are given and corresponding number of blows are given, and we want to estimate here the corrected n value, right? So here I know the SPT number means the total number of blows required to penetrate the sampler in this soil in the last 300 mm thickness, right? So this test we perform in 3 stages: 150 mm, 150 mm, 150 mm. So the number of blows required to penetrate the sampler in the last 300 mm thickness of the soil is called SPT number. So from here you can see one table is given, and from here you should notice last 300 mm penetration 15 centimeter to 45 centimeter. How many number of blows? So we can count 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 7. So I can write N0 equal to 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 7. So total 6, 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 7, 27. So this is called SPT number calculated from the field. Now after this we apply two correction as per the Indian standard. Two correction factors we apply. First is overburden correction and second is your water table correction, also called dilatancy correction. So here overburden correction I can apply N1 is equal to N0 into 350 divided by 70 plus sigma bar. So this is the formula. N0 is the SPT number calculated from the field. This is correction factor, and the value of this correction factor is given 1 in the problem. So N1 is equal to N0 into 1 equal to 27. So the value of N1 corrected value is 27 after overburden correction. After overburden correction we apply water table correction. N2 is equal to 15 plus half of N1 minus 15. So 15 plus half of N1 is 27 minus 15. So 15 plus half, 17 minus 15. 12 divided by 2, 6. So 6 plus 15, 21. So this is the 21, the value of N2. N2 is the final corrected value after overburden and after water table correction factor. So for this problem, answer is option number C. Option number C is the answer. Thank you.